Ready to supercharge your Teespring sales with data-driven insights? Let's dive right in and connect Google Tag Manager to your Teespring store to unlock powerful analytics and tracking. First, open your Teespring store and your Google Tag Manager account, making sure you're logged into both. In your Teespring dashboard, navigate to your store settings or appearance options. You'll be looking for a place to inject custom code, often within the store's preferences or advanced settings. Now, switch over to your Google Tag Manager account, find and copy your GTM Container ID. It's a unique code that looks like GTM XXXXXX. Return to your Teespring store settings and locate the designated area for pasting the GTM Container ID or adding custom code. Paste your GTM Container ID into this space. Next, save the changes in your Teespring store settings. You've successfully connected your Teespring store to Google Tag Manager. It's time to begin creating and publishing tags to track customer behaviors such as page views in your Teespring store and track your sales as well. If you're not familiar with setting up tags, check out my other videos on how to use GTM. That's it. You've successfully integrated Google Tag Manager into your Teespring store. Now, start tracking customer behavior and maximizing the potential of your Teespring store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.